how to link PayPal to Facebook Payout. First things first is of course open up your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now just simply head straight to your profile settings or just heading directly to settings. And then in here just simply scroll down a bit till you find settings and privacy. Tap on that and then tap on settings once again. In here you will be redirected to your settings and privacy. Scroll down again till you get to the payments tab. In here just simply tap on payouts, and then on this page you should be able to see your current earnings from the videos or any kinds of post that you would like to be or to earn using the Facebook. Now in here, to link your PayPal account, just simply tap on the gear icon at the top right portion of your screen. And then under payout method, you should be able to see PayPal. Simply tap on that. So in my case, I won't be able to relink it again because it is already linked to my PayPal account. So what you want to do is just simply tap this icon right here that says update and then choose on PayPal and just simply follow on the on-screen prompts for you to successfully link your PayPal account. And that's pretty much it. That's how you link your PayPal to Facebook Payout.